Hi friends, it's me Teresa. Welcome back or welcome to my channel if you are new here. And I hope you all are doing well. I recently just bought a new set of gouache, so I want to do this video to show you guys a little bit of me unboxing, color swatching, and testing this new art supplies. So let's get started. Here's the packaging that I am going to open now. I ordered this set from Amazon. It is a Himi gouache with 18 colors. I'm sure you have heard about this one. I am just late to the game because this gouache set is all over the internet. If you search YouTube for Himi gouache review, you will see a bunch of videos talking about this set. I chose the color of the box, which is this kind of pastel green, which I absolutely love. But I believe that you will have three options. It can be either in green, blue, or pink. When you open the box, you will see that it also has a detachable plastic tray, which you can use as a mixing palette, which I think is very convenient if you want to carry it along and paint outdoor. And these are little cups that contains different colors, and you can see that the name of the colors are written on the lids. These pens are also known as jelly gouache because these cups, if you look at them, you will see that they look exactly like jelly cups and they make you feel like you can actually eat them. Now I am going to pour all of them out and start removing the lids. I have to warn you though, when you remove the lids like this, it can get messy and the pens can get all over your hands. I find that some of them are easier to remove than others. I'm not sure why, but I was really struggling to remove some of these cups. And as you can see, there's a lot of pens stick to the lids, and I try to use a palette knife to scoop off the pens and put them back, but it looks like it just gets worse and messier. And finally, I'm done. It's just a mess. I have to go and wash my hands and throw all of the lids away. Yeah, so the opening process is quite challenging, but that's fine. Look at all these pens. It actually look like jelly and make me want to eat. But I have to warn you though that these pens actually have a little bit of scent. So in case you're interested in purchasing these pens but you're allergic to any kind of scents, then you should know about this. Now I am going to take out my mixed media Strathmore sketchbook and start do some color swatching. I got this sketchbook also just not long time ago because I want to dedicate a separate sketchbook for gouache practice only. I think when you just bought a new pen set or pen tubes, it's always a good idea to do color swatching on the paper because sometimes the color that appears on the packaging can be slightly different compared to when they are on the paper. And plus, I don't know about you, but for me, I probably already mentioned in a lot of my videos that color swatching is one of my favorite warm-up activities. And by the way, I just got a new Hope and gouache and do unboxing video and posted it 2 weeks ago. And if you ever watched that video, you may wonder why I would purchase this new set while I already had one. And here's the reason. Hope and gouache is an actress grade gouache, I believe, so the price is kind of expensive with a very small tube. And I feel like for gouache, you tend to use it more compared to watercolor. I mean, for gouache, it lasts less longer compared to watercolors because you tend to mix it with less water so that it can be opaque. So to practice with that expensive gouache, I feel kind of pressure. So I decided to buy this set which the price is more affordable. So it cost me $24 for 18 colors, which is a good deal. And now I am going to try this pen with a painting. So I got this art book that called Impressionism from my local bookstore. It is a great book if you are into Impressionism. I love that the book has all of the paintings from all of the famous Impressionist painters. And Claude Monet is one of the famous painters that is mentioned in this book. And I am going to recreate one of his painting, which is this one, as you can see on the screen. It is a landscape painting. I'm not sure how to say the name of the painting since it's in French, but you will see it on the screen. At the same time, I am painting as well, so that you can always refer to the original one. And this is absolutely my first time painting this one. I did not have a plan, and I basically just go with the flow and just my instinct and just kind of see what colors in there and paint accordingly. I think when you recreate a painting from a master, pretty much half of the work has been done for you. Like the composition has already been planned out and the color themes already been chosen for you, so you don't really have to think too much. You just need to look at it and copy basically. But what I find challenging is to color match. But I'm just gonna try my best and do as much as I can. Even though if it doesn't turn out exactly like the original one in terms of colors, and it's still be fine because this is just a practice in my sketchbook. I chose to recreate this painting because I think this is probably the simplest painting in the book, and plus this is a landscape. You know that I love painting landscape, and what I love about this painting is that you can see clearly the very bold brushstrokes here, and because of that you can see that there's a lot of movement going on in the painting as well. And one more thing, I'm not sure how long it took Monet to paint this one, but he just make everything look so simple. You can see I feel like everything has been broken into very simple and organic shapes, lines and brushstrokes, but overall when you look at the painting as a whole, you can tell what it is that he's painting. And I think that is the beauty of impressionistic painting style. And this is just my personal opinion. When I look at his painting, I have to be honest, I don't have an art background. I didn't study art in school. But if one of you guys watched the video and you guys are studying about art, and if there's something that I say that not correctly, please don't come for me. But I am open to all of the constructive feedbacks from you guys, so feel free to let me know in the comments what you think about this painting. And yeah, that's pretty much for today. I hope that you enjoyed this very relaxing and chill video. And I will link all of the supplies that I mentioned in the video in the description below if you are interested. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I will post new art video every Saturday. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a nice weekend and I will see you in my next video. Bye!